Assalamualaikum. This is International Islamic University Islamabad School, Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This lecture is for grade 7, lecture number 4, chapter number 3, Introduction to Atmosphere, exercise. This lecture is of the subject of geography. In this lecture, we will discuss the exercise of the chapter number 3. Now let's start. Before we begin with the exercise, make sure you have your geography book, notebook and your complete stationery with you. Listen to the teacher attentively and mark all the important points said by the teacher. Task. Today's lecture task is exercise. We have to solve all the exercise. Exercise part 1 will be done on your books. Part 2 short questions. You have to done on your notebook with me. And part number 3 of the exercise is your homework task. Now let's start. The part 1 of exercise is 4 answers are given for every question. Mark the correct answers. The first MCQ statement is the layer of atmosphere near the earth is known as mesosphere, thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere. The correct answer is D, troposphere. Students, you have to open page number 33 of your book. Open the book in front of you and read the statement with me. The second statement is what is the distance of earth from the surface of the sea? The correct answer is 70,000 kilometers. Which gas is referred for cooling in refrigerators? Chlorofluorocarbons. The correct answer is option D, CFCS gases. The fourth one is the main ingredients for atmosphere are. The correct answer is A, 3. 3 ingredients are main for atmosphere. Now comes to the fifth one. What is the temperature of earth at the boundary of mesosphere? The correct answer is option B, about 100 degree centigrade. Now let's start the short questions. Students, open your notebooks and write the short question answers with me. What is atmosphere? The first question is what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is surrounding our earth from all sides in the form of a cover. एटमॉस्फेयर ने हमारी अर्थ को सब साइड से कवर किया हुआ है. The second question is explain the difference between weather and climate. The answer of this question is weather is the whole condition of temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind speed, air humidity and precipitation of a particular place at a particular time. The only difference between weather and climate is that weather is the atmospheric condition of some place at particular time, while climate is the atmospheric condition of particular place during a long time. जो मेन डिफरेंस है वेदर और क्लाइमेट में वो ये है कि जो वेदर है वो एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन होती है किसी भी जगह की एक ख़ास टाइम के लिए, जबकि जो क्लाइमेट होता है ये भी एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन ही होता है मगर ये लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए चेंजेस होती हैं. दैट्स वाई इट्स अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेदर एंड क्लाइमेट. The third question is what is mesosphere? As you know, the mesosphere is the layer of atmosphere. This layer is present above stratosphere. In this portion, temperature again decreases with height. At the boundary of mesosphere, the temperature of air reaches about 100 degrees centigrade. Here, the gases of air and other particles are in minimum amounts. This layer is from 50 to 80 kilometers in the atmosphere. As I explained in the previous chapter that there are 4 layers of atmosphere and 2 layers. In the 2 layers the temperature increases with height, but in mesosphere the temperature decreases with height, and at the boundary of mesosphere temperature of air reaches about 100 degrees centigrade. Here the gases of air and other particles are in minimum amount. इस लेयर में एटमॉस्फेयर की लेयर में जो गैसेस होती हैं दूसरे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो बहुत कम अमाउंट में होते हैं, और ये लेयर 50 से 80 किलोमीटर एटमॉस्फेयर से 50 to 80 किलोमीटर फार है. दिस लेयर इज फ्रॉम 50 to 80 किलोमीटर्स इन एटमॉस्फेयर. द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज राइट डाउन एनी 2 रीजन्स ऑफ रिडक्शन इन ओजोन. First of all, you have to know what is reduction in ozone. As I explained in the previous lesson that the thinning of the ozone layer is called reduction in ozone. or hole in ozone is also known as reduction in ozone. Now we have to tell the reasons why there is reduction in ozone, why there is hole in ozone. The answer of this question is one of the main reasons for reduction and destruction of ozone is chlorofluorocarbons. The CFCs is abbreviated as chlorofluorocarbons. It is a gas which is mixture of chlorofluorocarbon. It contains fluorine and carbon atoms. Human activities are also destroying ओजोन गैस. जो मेन रीज़न है ओजोन की डिस्ट्रक्शन में, ओजोन की लेयर में थिनिंग में या फिर ओजोन लेयर में होल बनने की जो मेन रीज़न है वो CFCs गैस है. ये गैस मिक्सचर है क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स का. क्लोरो मीन क्लोरीन, फ्लोरो मीन फ्लोरीन एंड कार्बन एटम्स. Human activities are also cause of ozone gas. How? The smoke which is ejected from vehicles and other harmful chemical rays which ejects from industries are badly affect the ozone. In this way, human activities also destroying ozone gas. Students, you have to write these all short questions on your notebook very neatly and carefully. Draw margin line, write date and properly, and also write down the topic. Okay. Now, the third task of today's lecture is give answers in detail. You have to do these detailed answers as your homework task. Now, I will tell you the answers of these questions. The first question is explain the importance of carbon dioxide and gases. Students, open the page number 26 of your geography book, and the answer of this question is importance of oxygen. On page number 26, mark the answer from importance of oxygen to the last line natural gas, etc. And importance of carbon dioxide is on page number 27. Look at the second paragraph on the page 27 and mark this whole paragraph as your first long question answer. Importance of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is necessary for life. This gas interacts with other gases and makes carbohydrates. These gases and carbohydrates are necessary for the life of plants and animals. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat and moderates the temperature. Mark till here. Importance of carbon dioxide. Now let's come to the question number 2. Explain the composition of atmosphere. इस क्वेश्चन में आपने एटमॉस्फेयर के कंपोनेंट्स को एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. Open the page number 26. Look at the top of the page. The last line of the first paragraph. Atmosphere is composed of 3 basic elements. Your answer starts from here. These elements are regular gases, variable gases, pollutants. This answer starts from atmosphere is composed of 3 basic elements, page number 26, and it ends on page number 28. The third question is discuss in detail the layers of atmosphere. आपने एटमॉस्फेयर की लेयर्स को डिटेल एक्सप्लेन करना है. कौन कौन सी लेयर्स थी? यस, ट्रोपोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, मेसोस्फेयर एंड थर्मोस्फेयर. ओपन द पेज नंबर 28 and mark the answer from here on your book in blue. Write the layered structure of atmosphere. Mark here answer of question number 3 till page number 29. Thermosphere, the last layer is thermosphere. On above the difference between weather and climate, above this passage you have to mark your answer. From where? From 28 to page number 29. ट्रोपोस्फेयर से लेके थर्मोस्फेयर तक आपका आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का. ट्रोपोस्फेयर इज द टॉप मोस्ट लेयर. ट्रोपोस्फेयर के बाद स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर, स्ट्रेटोस्फेयर के बाद मेसोस्फेयर, एंड after these 3 all the thermosphere comes, and thermosphere is 80 kilometer extends from its final boundary. In this portion of atmosphere, temperature increases with height. At the height of 350 kilometers, the temperature of about 100 degrees centigrade is recorded. The fourth question is discuss in detail the change in climate on the earth's surface. इस क्वेश्चन में आपने डिटेल बताना है कि जो अर्थ सरफेस पे क्लाइमेट में चेंजेस आती हैं उनकी क्या रीज़न है. यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन इट in detail. Open the page number 30. Here, the first paragraph, right here, climate change over the Earth's surface. Whole passage is your answer of question number 4. The atmosphere of Earth changes due to activities of human beings. Human beings की एक्टिविटीज से चेंज होते हैं और आपने आगे सारी एक्टिविटीज एक्सप्लेन कर देनी है जो प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन की थी, लाइक पोल्यूटेंट्स, स्मोक, harmful chemicals which released from industries, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbons. These all are causes of change in climate on Earth's surface. The fifth one is describe the importance of ozone layer. आपने ozone layer की importance बतानी है. On page number 30, the significance of ozone layer. It's the answer. Significance also means importance. Mark this passage as answer of question number 5. Ozone is produced and destroyed naturally. It is present in the upper portion of atmosphere. It absorbs ultraviolet rays and sends other sun rays to Earth after filtration. In this way, life is protected from ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays cause skin cancer and eye diseases. जो ओजोन लेयर है इसका जो फंक्शन है, मेन फंक्शन, वो फिल्ट्रेशन है हार्मफुल गैसेस की जो सन से आती हैं. और वो गैसेस कौन सी हैं? अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज. अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज यूवी रेज. यूवी रेज की फिल्ट्रेशन करती है ओजोन और फिर उनको अर्थ पे भेजती है. अगर फिल्ट्रेशन के बगैर यूवी रेज अर्थ पे आ जाएँ तो बहुत सी डिजीज़ हो सकती हैं, स्किन कैंसर, आई डिजीज़. दैट्स वाई ओजोन फिल्टर दिस harmful gases and then sends these gases on the earth. The last question of task 3 is suggest the measure to control the reduction of ozone. आपने सजेशन देना है कि आप कैसे हम ओजोन की लेयर में जो रिडक्शन आ रही है, ओजोन की लेयर जो थिन हो रही है, कैसे रिड्यूस हो सकती है. योर आंसर इज ऑन पेज नंबर 32. Measures to overcome the problems of ozone depletion. You have to write this whole passage as your answer. In the last few years, different countries have taken good steps for the reduction of CFCs and there are better results. The information about Earth that was collected from natural authorities and space administration and other sources shown that the depletion in ozone gas has slowed. The main reason for this reduction is decrease in the use of CFCs and then complete ban on it. Now, other gases are used in place of CFCs gases. For example, hydrochlorofluorocarbon gas is used, which is a mixture of carbon, hydrogen, chlorine and fluorine gases. This gas is less injurious as compared to chlorofluorocarbons. Let it be hoped that we will save ozone layer till the middle of this century. इस पैराग्राफ में ये बताया गया कि जो मेन रीज़न है ओजोन गैसेस की वो CFCs गैसेस हैं जो कहाँ से रिलीज़ होती हैं? रेफ्रिजरेटर से रिलीज़ होती हैं. अब CFCs गैसेस पे कम्प्लीटली बैन हो चुका है. इसकी जगह पे इसकी अल्टरनेटिव गैस जो यूज़ हो रही है रेफ्रिजरेटर्स में एंड स्प्रे कैंस में वो है हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स. हाइड्रोक्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स ये CFCs गैसेस से लेस डेंजरस है और इसी वजह से जो ओजोन की लेयर में जो डिप्लीशन है, रिडक्शन है, वो प्रोसेस काफ़ी हद तक कम हो चुके हैं. Now it's time to write down diary. Students, open your diary. Write date, subject and today's diary. Today's diary is you have to do detailed answers, questions on page number 34 of exercise on notebook. पेज नंबर 34 पे जो डिटेल्ड आंसर हैं अभी मैंने मार्क करवाए हैं आप लोगों को, वो आप लोगों ने अपनी नोटबुक्स पे नीटली एंड प्रॉपरली लिखनी है. मार्जिन लाइन भी ड्रा करनी है, डेट एंड डे प्रॉपरली लिखनी है, टॉपिक लिखना है और टॉपिक को अंडरलाइन भी करना है. दिस इज़ एंड ऑफ आवर लेसन. अल्लाह हाफिज़.